Ito ang paglaba sa washing machine natin, ha. Turn mo to the right sa may cottons. And then dito, you can put the temperature down to 40 or 30. Tapos ito 2 hours 47, you need to reduce it. So you're pressing this. So it will turn 1 hour 34. And then that's it. And then play. Pop! Kung meron na laman. Basta lagyan mo lang ng ano. Don't forget, soap. Soap here. Detergent. And this is the softener or fabric conditioner. Okay? Not too much. Yes. Dito you don't need to put anything. No need to put anything. Okay, only soap or detergent, and then fabric softener. Okay, that's it. And then pag natapos na yan, just turn it off once it's finished. That's it.